Hello friends, today our Honorable Finance Minister chaired the 40th GST Council meeting virtually through video conferencing, and some few important decisions were taken. Most of the decisions were for the small taxpayers having the turnover less than 5 crores. The first major decision was for the taxpayers who have not filed their GSTR 3B returns from July 2017 to January 2020 or any period in between that period. So if if you did not file your returns and it was nil, there are no transactions, then it is zero late fee. If there were transactions which is not a nil GST return 3B, then the penalty will be maximum 500 rupees, which originally it used to be 10,000 rupees maximum. Now they have brought down to 500 rupees. The condition is all those returns which are not filed for this period has to be filed by between July 2020 to September 2020. So before September 2020, all these returns has to be filed. You can get the concession. The second relief was again taxpayers less than 5 crores. Originally in March 24th GST Council meeting, they had extended the due dates for the months of February, March and April, which was staggered between July last week and June last week and July first week for various states and various taxpayers. Due dates remain the same. They have actually given you time to file till 30th September, where a nominal interest of 9% only will be charged from the extended due date till the time you file your returns. There will not be any late fee. Originally the rate of interest was 18%, now they have brought it to 9%. This will be again if you file your returns before 30th September. Now when you file your returns from February, March, April, what happens to May, June, July? They have again given relief to the taxpayers having less than 5 crores turnover to file their May, June and July GSTR 3B returns. Time is given till 30th September 2020. There is no interest, no late fee if you file all these 3 months return before 30th September 2020. So these are the three important decisions which was taken in today's GST Council meeting. One more decision was taken for the taxpayers whose registration has been cancelled. Since most of the taxpayers, they are facing difficulty, the due date to file the application for revocation has expired. So now government has given them one more opportunity. Any revocation, any cancellation of registration which has happened till 12th June, now they can apply before 30th September for the revocation of cancellation. So these are the few announcements which was made today. Basically everything was meant for small taxpayers. This is the best opportunity for the taxpayers who have not filed their returns from July 2017 to file it now. And if they want to cancel, there are so many taxpayers who want to cancel the registration but they could not do it because the late fee was very high. This is the time you can file nil return or whatever return is there, and if you want to cancel, you can cancel it. Don't lose this opportunity. Thank you.